Hey guys, here we're at Fort Zachary Taylor Park in Key West, and today we're going to check out the Coast Guard ship right here. It's a museum, but I don't know if it's open today. Alright guys, for the second time, I rid my motorcycle to a historic place in Key West. We're looking at mile marker 0. It's the end of Highway 1. Alright guys, we're at the little White House, the Harry Truman Little White House Museum. Hello, how are you? Great. I've got Harry Truman right here with his little smile going on. Alright guys, we're at Skunk 8 headquarters, and this is a 20-foot python. Good night. Alright, I'm going to take one picture and we're going to roll out. Oh,